Here is how to sign out of your Fantasy Premier League account. I'm going to show the steps on both the application and the website. So let's get started with the app first. Launch the FPL application and make sure that you're logged into the specific account which you want to sign out. Now, from the bottom of the screen, you'll get My PL settings with the gear icon. If you do not see the option directly, you can click on this More icon and then select My PL settings. And a new menu will appear once you select My PL settings with the option of sign out. Go ahead and select it to sign out of your specific account on the FPL application. If you want to sign out of your account from the website, go to fantasy.premierleague.com or premierleague.com. Now you need to scroll to the right from this menu and you'll get the sign out button beside the FPL challenge. Go ahead and select it and you'll be instantly logged out of your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.